Hello students, this is Muhammad Saidul Islam. I will show you today how the structure of criminal courts in Bangladesh works. The Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 is the general law in our country to regulate the procedures and the rules of the structure of criminal courts and how these courts function. Firstly, if you see the map, the entire country under the CRPC is divided into few local areas, and these local areas, as you see on the map, if you compare the separate local areas as divided by the lines on the map, they are the representations of those local areas which are known in the CRPC to be sessions division. And in each of these sessions division, for example, if we consider this one, there will be two types of courts in a sessions division. On the top there are court of session, which would be represented by a session judge, one or more additional session judge, and one or more joint sessions judge. On the other hand, on the bottom layer there will be court of magistrate, and in a court of magistrate in the metropolitan area there will be chief metropolitan magistrate, which will be only one. There will be additional chief metropolitan magistrate, and there will be metropolitan magistrates. The chief magistrates, whether in the metropolitan or in the non-metropolitan area, would be only one, but the other magistrates' number could vary according to the decisions of the government, and I would say on the basis of the needs of the number of cases that might come to them. Now, Court of Magistrate has an additional duty. It would be the Chief Judicial Magistrate in non-metro area, or it would be the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate in the metropolitan area, who will be working as the Court of First Instance. Court of First Instance means that these courts will entertain a fresh case, whatever it might be. The offences under the Penal Code have to be entertained by the Court of First Instance, and if they find the merit behind the case, they will take it on, they will entertain it, and they will send it to the proper court for the trial. After deciding the merit of the case, these magistrates will then take the next step. They will send the necessary case in their hand to the necessary competent court for the trial. If a case comes to the session judge court, then the session judge would decide that according to the second schedule of the CRPC, which among them will decide and will try on the offense which is sent to them. This is only a picture of the local sessions division, and this particular structure of the picture is called the subordinate criminal judiciary in our country according to the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898. The higher judiciary is vested on the Supreme Court of Bangladesh. The High Court Division and the Appellate Division is treated to be the higher judiciary in criminal jurisdiction. This is only a very plain picture of how the structure of criminal code in our country functions for the running and for the regulation of the prosecution in our country. We will talk about the other details on some other video. Till then, thank you listeners for watching this video.